Hello everyone, this is Kesa, GrabCAD Community Manager, and these are the release notes for GrabCAD Print 1.33. As always, we have some amazing updates for you. Some Advanced FDM body features now available in Print. On printers that are supported by Advanced FDM, some advanced features are now available in the Model Settings tab. These include infill density, infill angle, and body thickness. And when CAD files are used, the ability to change a cylindrical hole into a self-supporting diamond. Tray and model settings for PolyJet users. Similar to the change made for the FDM settings panel in the last update, the PolyJet settings panel is now split into tray settings and model settings to allow space for more functionality in the future updates. For PolyJet printers, the tray and model settings are separated into two icons to leave room for more future settings and a more intuitive user experience. Go to Tray Settings to change the materials for the current tray. Print mode and other settings will be added to this panel in the future. Model settings remain the same, but the tray materials are obtained from the previous Tray Settings menu. Exclude Tower from CMB Export. You may now choose to export a CMB without the purge part or sacrificial tower. This allows you to prevent multiple purge parts from being printed when printing multiple CMB files in a job. By default, purged part sacrificial tower is included. Next, we have some default material updates. For Stratasys F900, Fortis 900MC, and Fortis 400MC printer templates, ABS is now the default material. For live printers, the material will continue to use the current configuration as default. And lastly, we have a heads up for our J750 and J735 users. The advanced slicer introduced in 1.31 will be on by default in the next month's update, version 1.34. And that is all what we have for you today in this month's update 1.33. My name is Kesa, GrabCAD Community Manager. Thank you so much for watching.